Hi, I'm Toni Balfour, and I'm the herbalist and founder of Yin Yang Dermatology. And in this video, I'm going to talk about our natural treatment for babies and children with eczema using Chinese herbal medicine. We'll have a look at how it all works, but first, let me tell you a little bit about our practice. At Yin Yang Dermatology, we use Chinese herbal medicine to heal the skin. We're all about using highest quality herbs and preparing them the right way to achieve optimal results. For acne, psoriasis, eczema, and other skin conditions, patients take herbs internally as teas. In addition, they'll use our handmade herbal ointments and creams. Healing the skin is a journey, and we believe that for many people, holistic medicine can offer the best path to clear and healthy skin. Parents will often contact our clinic wanting to treat their child's eczema holistically, but first they want to understand how it all works. So I'd like to give you a little rundown about how I approach treating babies and children. I'm an acupuncturist and herbalist, but I really don't use acupuncture at all to treat eczema. Herbal medicine is far more effective, and it's the standard of care with dermatology specialists who practice Chinese medicine. We have a pharmacy here with over 300 herbs, and the foundation of Chinese herbalism is that treatments are individualized and customized. So for any child that comes in for the treatment of eczema, I'm going to analyze the precise look of their skin. I'll choose different herbs depending on whether the skin lesions look red or pink or pale. Some eczema appears damp, and there may be oozing or crusting, and some is dry with flaking or shedding of the skin. Different herbs are used for different parts of the body. So eczema of the face or ears would require different herbs than eczema of the elbow and knee creases or of the hand and the ankles. I'm also looking to assess the severity of the itching. This is really the beauty of Chinese herbalism, that each herbal blend is customized to address the precise needs of each child. And in addition to analyzing the eczema, I'm also looking at the overall constitution of my patients. It's very common for babies and children with eczema to have difficulty sleeping, and certain herbs can be helpful with that. If there are other symptoms like digestive problems or allergies or asthma, I'll take that into account as well when I put together an herbal blend. So how does this all work, giving herbs to babies and children? For the most part, I prescribe herbs to be taken both internally and topically, but for babies, that's a little bit different. For babies, I'll still choose each individual herb to make up a customized blend, but they'll be using this herb tea in the bath and letting it soak into their skin that way. We'll extract the herbs into a tea. We have machines here that extract herbs under high pressure and make it into a tea which goes into vacuum sealed pouches. And you'll pour the contents of 2 pouches of liquid into a bath, let them soak in the bath for about 15 minutes or so, and after the bath you'll follow up with an ointment or a cream, or sometimes both. Generally, babies heal more quickly and easily than older children and adults, and they'll absorb a lot of the healing properties of the herbs through the skin. For kids that are a little bit older, like preschool age or early elementary school, we'll first assess the severity of the eczema and the nature of how it looks. Sometimes I recommend herb baths, and other times I'll recommend herbs to be taken internally. For toddlers and younger children, we can make up an herb tincture that tastes earthy but also somewhat sweet. And internal herbs are also available in powdered form. So sometimes I prescribe a powder that can be dissolved in hot water or added to other foods like applesauce or drinks like smoothies. For severe cases and for older children, I'll recommend herbs in tea form. The earthy taste of the tea can be a challenge to overcome, but we do have some tricks to make it easier. In holistic medicine, topical treatment will also be important to use in conjunction with the internal herbs. So for weeping eczema, I may prescribe a topical powder to be sprinkled onto the skin. But more commonly, I'll recommend herb compresses or creams, balms, or ointments. The length of time that treatment is necessary will vary from patient to patient. So without seeing your child, I can't really say how long I think treatment will last, but I will say that herbal treatment is a journey with a beginning, a middle, and an end. So it's a process of healing, and your child will not need to take herbs forever. Most children will be on herbs for several months. When the skin becomes stable, it will stay stable without continued need for taking herbs. But in some cases, I'll treat a baby, the skin gets better, and then a year or so later, they may get a minor flare, and then they'll come back in for a short course of herbs and everything will balance out again. Herbal medicine is such a powerful and effective treatment method for babies and kids with eczema, so I hope this video has given a good overview about how it all works. If you have any questions about herbal medicine, check out our site at yinyangdermatology.com. And if you'd like to make an appointment, you can do that online too. Thanks for watching the video.